Okay, this is one of those problems that comes off of Facebook that everybody argues about how to do. This is a PEMDAS problem. If you haven't seen my video on PEMDAS, I'm going to put a link in the description as soon as I get the video ready. Anyway, PEMDAS is order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. And there are two easy ways to solve a PEMDAS problem. One is to put it in PEMDAS order, which I've done with this particular problem, and it just gets to be a mess. The other is to use grouping symbols so we know what goes with what. And since we don't have any parentheses or exponents, first thing we do is look from left to right for multiplication and division. And we see we got multiplication here and here. Now, what's getting multiplied? That's where a lot of people get confused, and this is where we're going to use our grouping symbols. We see we've got this here, so we know that binds the two numbers on either side of it together. We also have this here, and it binds the two numbers together. Now, don't think that because we've put parentheses here, this magically jumps back up to this P. That refers to parentheses put there by the original author of the problem. So this is still here with multiplication and division, and we don't have any division to separate out. So once we start going through this problem, the addition and subtraction will work its way out. So we're going to work what's inside our parentheses, which is our multiplication first. Come down here, 15 times 1 is 50. And 60 times 0 is 0. And now we're going to bring the rest of our problem down. So you have there 0 plus minus 60 plus 10 equals x. Okay, now we're going to just start working our addition and subtraction left to right because we're down to this level on PEMDAS. So 0 plus 50 is going to result in 50. Now we have 50 minus 60 minus 0 plus 10 equals x. And also, if you want to, you can come back and say this 0 minus that 0 equals out. So 50 minus 60 is negative 10 minus 0 plus 10 equals x. And then we just kind of get rid of that 0 because negative 10 minus 0 is still negative 10 plus 10 equals x. And negative 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. Any questions? You can just put them in the comments.